Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating controlled conditions and taking immediate, practical steps. Put on gloves and a mask. Clean your workspace with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Open one container at a time and observe without disturbing growth. Note color, texture, and moisture. These are the first clues. Once done, label containers and document observations so you can compare changes over 24-72 hours. This initial inspection tells you whether to isolate, continue monitoring, or move to more detailed testing. Act quickly to prevent spread. Now you perform a closer assessment to differentiate contamination types. Gently probe growth. Healthy mycelium is white and filamentous. Cottony or slimy patches suggest bacterial activity. Look for pigmented spots. Green and black often mean mold. Pink or yellow can be other molds or bacteria. Make a controlled smell check from a distance. Sour or foul odors are red flags. Once you identify suspect areas, isolate affected containers and photograph them for records. These steps guide whether to discard, salvage, or attempt remediation. Complete the process by deciding and acting decisively. If contamination is extensive or foul-smelling, discard containers in sealed bags and sterilize the area. Do not risk cross-contamination. If only a small, non-sour spot exists and mycelium is vigorous, consider a sterile transfer. Move healthy tissue to fresh, sterile substrate under a flow hood. Make sure to adjust humidity and sterilization protocols and trace the contamination source, spores, unclean tools, or poor pasteurization to prevent recurrence. If unsure, err on the side of caution and discard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.